Welcome to the Happy Farm. Let's meet the animals and learn their sounds. This is the cow, and the cow says, moo, moo. Here's the sheep says, B-A-A, B-A-A.
Look at the duck says,
Quack, quack, quack.
and the horse says,
Neigh.
early in the morning, the rooster says,
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
and the pig says,
Oink, 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 oink.
let's sing together. Cow says moo, sheep says baa, duck says quack. The happy farm loves you.